Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw dividends from Fidelity Brokerage account, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw dividends from your Fidelity Brokerage account, start by logging into your Fidelity account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the dashboard. Click on Positions to view your current holdings. Locate the stock or mutual fund from which you have earned dividends. Next, click on the account that holds the security. Select Transactions to see the details of your dividend payments. Ensure that your dividend payments have been credited to your account. Now, head to the Transfer menu, which is typically found at the top of the page. Click on Transfer Funds to initiate the withdrawal process. In the withdrawal process, select your brokerage account as the source of funds. Specify whether you would like to withdraw the full amount or a partial amount of your dividends. Choose your destination account, typically a linked bank account for the transfer. Input the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the details of your transfer for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to complete the withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation of your transaction via email or as a notification in your account. Finally, allow a few business days for the funds to transfer to your bank account. If you encounter any issues, contact Fidelity customer support for assistance. Your dividends will soon be available in your bank account for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.